This is the intro to LongHairPrettyNails show. Yeah.
Hey y'all, this is Evie and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be trying out the new Makartt Femi Beauty Polygel kit. I am so proud of her. I have been a fan of Femi Beauties for so long. She has been grinding it out on YouTube with the nail videos, and this collab is so well deserved. Kudos. I am so proud of her and I cannot wait to bust this open and see what's inside. All right, so here is the box. I love the packaging. Everything is so cute. This hot pink is everything. So when you open the box, there is a cute note from Femi. And here is the kit. I'm just gonna go ahead and take out all of the products and see what we get. All right, so this is everything that comes in the kit. You get 4 tubes of polygel, a gel base and top coat, a mini nail lamp, dual forms. In this case, a dual forms is a little bit different. It comes with a dual form tips, so you can make your own tips from the polygel. You just put the polygel on the underside and then, squish them onto your nail and cure. I have a video on how I use these that I will link down below. And it also comes with the full cover tips. Now these are not dual forms, these are just regular press-on nails, but you can do the Femi Beauty method, which is when you put the polygel inside of the tip and then you press it onto your nail and cure, and it stays like that and your nail is already shaped and all that good stuff. So that is what comes in this kit. You get the nail tool that has the spatula on one end and the brush on the other, a nail file, 2 jars of glitter, and they are gorgeous, 3 jars of nail charms, and you get these paper butterflies. So the Femi Beauty Makartt collection also has gel polishes. There are 2 gel polish sets. The pink one here is a jelly glitter gel polishes, and the brown set here is the nudes, and there is a nude for every complexion. I really like this set and I cannot wait to use this one. All right, so now to address the elephant in the room. If you guys have been staring at my left hand, I did these press-ons using my nail crystals. I just launched a nail crystal kit. If you follow me on Instagram, you already know. But yeah, that's what these are. These are press-ons that I just blinked out because I'm just loving all of the chunky crystals. So if you guys are interested, I'll leave a link down to my store down below. The nail crystal kit is available at LongHairPrettyNails.com. And that was a word from the sponsor of this video, me. All right, so now to the Polygel Swatches. The first color here is Y2K Princess. The next color is Yemisi. And then we have Kawaii Gang, and it is a blue shimmer opalescent color. Super cute. And lastly, we have Glitter Fairy, and it is a glitter nude color. And here are the colors side by side. So I've already done my nail prep and I am going to be popping these off in a couple days. So I am just going to use this nail art barrier. I've been using this lately to take my nails off quicker. And then I'm just going to do a coat of the gel base coat and cure that for 30 seconds. Next, I'm going to pick out some nail tips to put on, and these tips are available on my website as well, LongHairPrettyNails.com. And I'm just going to use some Young Nails glue to go ahead and glue these on. So after I have all of the nails on, I'm just going to use a nail tip clipper to cut down some of the length and use a buffer to take the shine away from the nail tip so the polygel can adhere to the tip with no problem. And now I'm going to go in with the pink polygel and work that around my cuticle area. And this color is just so pretty. Like, oh my God, it's so pretty. I love the opalescence of it. It's just gorgeous. But as you guys can see, it works very well. It's not sticking to my brush, and I'm using 91% alcohol as my slip solution. So I'm doing a 3-color ombre, and I just grabbed a little too much of that pink, so I'm just taking off the excess. And I'm just gonna smooth the polygel just over where the natural nail meets the nail tip. All right, so after curing that, I'm gonna go in with Kawaii Gang, and that is the shimmery blue one, and I'm gonna do the blue at the tip. And the goal here is just to ombre this down, but to kind of leave a little bit of space so I can put the yellow and just blend this to perfection. I really love how this formulation is not super sticky. It's not any different from, I guess, any of the other Makartt polygels, but as you guys can see, it is moving where I want it to, and it is not sticking to the brush. And after curing that blue polygel, I'm just gonna go in with the yellow and put that in the center and blend that into the pink and into the blue. And it just made the perfect 3-color ombre. Like, these colors blend together so well. All right, so after doing all of the nails like that and curing, I'm just gonna take some alcohol on some paper towel and wipe off the tacky layer. And I'm gonna do my shaping, filing, and buffing. Whew. All right, so I finished with the filing, shaping, and buffing. This is what it's looking like so far. That ombre is just chef's kiss. Usually I would do like clear when I do ombres like this, just to make sure I didn't file off any of the transition, but it worked out pretty well. These polygels blend really, really good, so I didn't have gaps or anything, and it still looks smooth. So if you do the ombre this way, then you don't need clear. I really, really, really like these pieces here. I can't decide which one I'm gonna use. I think I'm gonna use this little heart one, but yeah, these have like little dangly charms. That is so cute. And when I first looked at these gold butterflies, I thought that they were like plastic or something, but these are like metal. They're heavy. And I'm gonna use the Makartt clear polygel, favorite clear polygel. And I'm gonna go ahead and use that to adhere all of this stuff. I think I'll probably do it this way. That is pretty. And now for some sexy top coat. And finally, I'm just gonna put some cuticle oil on. This is from Kiara Sky, and I will leave the link down below. It smells so good. But yes, cuticle oil for this ashy hand, y'all. And here is the finished look. I love how this ombre turned out. It is like so smooth. The colors just blend together really, 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 really well. Femi, you did an amazing job with this kit. I really like all the colors and the charms, and it's just so much that you can do with this kit. The possibilities are endless. And I also like that there's gel polishes to go with this collection as well. I'm really excited about those new polishes. I cannot wait to try those as well. So if you guys are interested, I will leave the link to this kit down below. I believe it's still available. I don't know, you know, stuff be selling out fast, but if it's still available, I will leave the link down below. So thank you guys for watching, and I will talk to you in the next one.
This is the outro to the Long Hair Pretty Nails Show, yeah.